it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, I kind of wish I had this video a while back when I was looking for lights and ring lights and setup for my YouTube channel, so that's why I kind of thought, well, why don't I do a video? Because this is something that I look for and was looking for and couldn't really find much about it. So I'm going to talk to you guys today a little bit about my whole lighting setup, my ring lights, my softbox, and my Vanity Girl Hollywood mirror. And we are going to see what all of them look like together, which is right now how they look, and then each individually how they look on their own. So first, this is with all of my lights on. This is my every setup, every time I film, this is what my lighting looks like on me. And I'll show you guys a little video clip here of what I am looking at directly with my lighting setup. So as you can see, my two ring lights on the side, and then I also have my softbox and my Vanity Girl mirror Hollywood, or sorry, my Vanity Girl Hollywood mirror. I think this is the Starlight Vanity mirror, but I'll have everything linked in the description bar down below with their links like Amazon and all of that. Just check in the description bar down below. Super affordable except for my Vanity Girl mirror. That one's kind of expensive, and that was my very first purchase, and kind of regret it now because everything that's out there now is more affordable and gives way better lighting. So, oh well, at least it looks pretty, right? Pretty mirror for 500 bucks. That's what sucks. That was an expensive purchase. Yeah. But on to the video. So next I'm going to show you guys what my lighting looks like with just the My Vanity Girl mirror. Okay? First up, we have the Starlight Vanity Girl Hollywood mirror. And this light is just a vanity mirror with 3 lights on each side. So like I said, this is what the Vanity Girl mirror looks like. If this is a mood you're going for, if you like this kind of look in the shadows, and you know what I mean, if you don't like the whole crazy lit up look, this is the mood you want, then check out the My Vanity Girl mirror. I really liked it. It was my very first one. The price was a bit expensive, but I get that. That's what you get when you're looking for something super pretty, and yeah. So, don't know what else to say about this. It was my very first purchase. It was very expensive and stupid because I could have just got softbox lights and ring lights and stuff, but this was the look I was going for at the time. And if it's something you're interested in, check in the description bar down below for the direct link to their website. I think they also have an Amazon store, or you can buy it on Amazon. I'll link that as well. But on to the next one. We are going to go to my softbox. So this is the next one. This is just the softbox that I have up above my mirror and table. This is a very harsh light. It shows a lot of shadows. I like how the background looks, but as for my face, it's not very flattering, and I wouldn't suggest just having one softbox on its own. But I want to show every single light that I have, so you can base your purchases off of that and kind of know what you might want, what mood you might want, all of that stuff, and what you're not looking for. So that is the whole point of this. But softbox, it's better if you buy 2 because then you can put 1 on each side. But as for 1, I bought 1, so I'm just making the most of my money. I have it right there in front of me on top of my mirror, and I don't like it on its own. That's just my opinion. The next one I'm going to try is, I have 2 different types of ring lights. I forget what that one's called. But I have the Neewer ring light from Amazon, and I'm gonna have to look at the packaging of my other ring light to tell you what that is. But I have like a heavy duty expensive one and a more affordable one from Amazon. I'm gonna go with the heavy duty expensive one next for you. And here is what just the Diva ring light looks like. So this is it on its own. It's an okay look. I kind of like the halo that shows in the center of the eye. That effect's actually really pretty. But as for the brightness, it's not You can't set it. It's just an on and off switch. It's a light bulb, like an actual fluorescent bulb, and those are quite expensive. To replace that was about $100, and on top of that, the actual ring light itself was like, what, like $250, $300 with taxes. It's ridiculous. But this is the ring light, the Diva ring light effect. I quite liked it. I liked it enough that I bought it, but I mean, when I first started YouTube, I kind of really saved up and thought, hey, if I buy the more expensive, that's better, right? And sometimes buying more expensive isn't the best. It's just how it is. Sometimes cheap stuff is just as good as the expensive, and you can save a lot of money. If not, it's better than most of the expensive stuff. So I have a less expensive ring light, and I love it way more now because I found it and it's just better lighting. But at the time, 5 years ago, this was my go-to look. I absolutely loved how this looked on my face and the effect that it gave and the kind of mood. So if this is something you're looking for and like how it looks, then you can check the description bar down below for the link of the Diva ring fluorescent light below. Next, it's on to my favorite ring light. And this right here is the Neewer light from Amazon. This is my favorite ring light upgrade since the Diva ring light, because this one has tons of little LED light bulbs in it, and this one's dimmable. So look at this. This is that full setting, okay? And then you can slowly lower the brightness on it to what you would prefer. But for me, I like being completely lit up. Yeah. And this is what I use when I film my intros and my outros, but I also put on like the backlights in my room. So I'm just going to pop those on now so you guys can see what my full setup looks like with all the lights on and my ring light in front of me, because I want you to see every bit that I do. And yeah, so let's get on to my full lighting so you can see with the ring light and how much of a difference the rest of the lights in this room, how much of a difference it makes to the quality of my video. So I'm going to switch on the rest of my lights right now. So this is how it looks with the rest of my lights on, which is the Vanity Girl mirror, the softbox, my Diva ring light over there, and my Neewer ring light right in the middle. And this is my setup that I do for the intro and the outros of my video. But as you guys can see, a significant difference in the quality of my video and how everything is lit up and looks way better with all the lighting compared to just the Neewer light on its own. I really hope this video helps someone. Like, this is the video that I wanted to see like 5-6 years ago when I started YouTube. So I thought I would make that video to hopefully help someone and show them the more expensive ring light, the more expensive side of lighting, as well as the more affordable side of lighting. Because you don't need crazy expensive stuff to give you that good quality video. You can find super awesome quality lights on Amazon that are amazingly affordable. Yeah. I'm sorry if I talked your ear off or didn't make much sense in this video, but I feel like I made sense to me. And like I said, in the description bar down below, you'll find a bunch of links to the direct lights that you are looking for. And I really hope this was informative and helped you figure out what you want in your videos, the mood you are looking for in your lighting and videos. And yeah. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. I really do hope this video helped someone with choosing what kind of ring light or softbox light or just lighting in general that you want. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.